For today's design, I'll be using a base coat. Today I'm using Ready for Takeoff. The colors I'll be using for this manicure are all from Color Club. The silver is Beg, Borrow, and Steal. The blue is Oh, the Irony. And the black is Beyond. I will be using Beg, Borrow, and Steal as my base color. For the gradient, I will be using a makeup sponge, but before I apply the gradient, I'm going to use some liquid latex. This one is from Queen. If you are allergic to latex, you can use something similar to these, which are pre-made forms for nail art, or you could use regular Scotch tape. Now that my liquid latex is done, I'm going to apply my colors to the sponge. Okay, and for the first pass, I'm going to put this silver at the top. And I'm going to continue that on all of the nails. Once you've reached the opacity of the colors that you like, go ahead and get you a pair of tweezers, or you can use your fingers. Go ahead, peel off the latex or your tape. Okay, now we're going to do any cleanup around the edges that you would like to do with a brush dipped in acetone. And then after I finish doing that, I'm going to seal in our progress so far with Seche Vite. And I like to reuse my sponges, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my scissors and cut that top part off. You've got a brand new sponge. Okay, I've got my striping tape all prepped and ready. Before I begin with that, I'm going to put on some more liquid latex. And once your liquid latex is dry, take your striping tape, and I'm going to apply 2 pieces vertically on the nail. Once you've got your striping tape where you want it, take your sponge. We're going to go with the colors in the opposite direction. I'm going to start with the black at the top. The blue stays in the middle. And the silver will go towards the tips of the nail. And once again, before the polish dries, I'm going to remove your striping tape and your latex. And again, I'm going to take a cleanup brush dipped in acetone and clean up around the edges. Okay, once you're finished cleaning up, go in with another layer of top coat. Okay, and there's the design. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button and comment down below. Tell me what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. And I'll see you next week.